Ditch the appointment book chaos and step into the world of streamlined scheduling as we pit Setmore against Square Appointments to discover which software reigns supreme for your business needs. First up, let's explore Setmore. It is known for its user-friendly interface and robust free plan, making it a great option for businesses just starting out. The online booking features allow clients to book appointments 24/7 through a customizable booking page, embeddable buttons on your website, or even social media integrations. Now, let's dive into Square Appointments, which seamlessly integrates with Square's payment processing system. A major advantage if you're already using Square for your business. Online booking is also offered. Clients can book through a website, online booking link, or directly from the Square app. When it comes to calendar management, both platforms offer features such as syncing with Google Calendar and Outlook, and the ability to manage multiple staff schedules. So let's get to payment processing. Setmore integrates with various payment gateways, while Square Appointments, unsurprisingly, favors Square's processing services if customer communications is what you are after. Both provide automated email and SMS reminders, crucial for reducing no-shows. Finally, integrations. Setmore connects with a wide range of apps, including Teleport for telehealth. Square Appointments integrates powerfully with Square's ecosystem and select third-party apps. Choosing the best platform depends entirely on your specific business needs. Consider your budget, the importance of seamless payment processing, and the scale of the integrations you require. We hope this comparison helps you choose the perfect scheduling solution.